So I'm coming up to my room. There's my room. This is the view I have. This is All-Star Movies. Hey, bell services already dropped off my luggage. Awesome. I can feel the air conditioning. Ooh, I have a little fridge. I'm going to put my water in there so it can cool down. I have a little coffee maker and ice bucket with tea, coffee decaf, coffee regular, more tea, sugar, creamer, sweet and low. All right. And there's a couple of regular plugs. So here we have regular plugs and USB plugs. Always nice to see. So the Murphy bed with the table. Second queen bed. I think this is pretty standard. Oh, there's a little safe. And it's got two USB, two regular, two USB, two regular. Very nice. Place to hang things up. This is a sliding door. Nice space saver. Oh, on each side of the bed it's got that's nice to see because I brought extras just in case, but I don't think I'll need the extra plugs. It's got some storage, hairdryer, iron, ironing board, closet. I think I have a bathtub. Okay, what is this shower height? Okay, I'm having to look up at the shower head. This is a good thing for tall people. All right. And of course the obligatory shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I am pleased with this room.